I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to cut cardstock. I am making a zipper card. So over here I have selected cardstock, and on my machine I've set my blade to a 3, and we're going to just cut it according to plain cardstock settings. And here's my cardstock. I am going to hit send. And there goes the cutting. It's now perforating the fold lines. Actually, now it's already at the zipper part. I also, for my setup, I have all my platforms in. I like taping my cardstock down just because sometimes the mat doesn't have enough grip. And some of my tape's coming up. Uh-oh. Hopefully it will hold. And it's done cutting. Let's see how we did.